Good morning everyone. Now today we are going to discussing about there is a one small problem 2 marks question 2 marks problem on the basement of that is already we learnt a formula about that is tan inverse of x tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So already we discussing about the that is some formulas on the basement of this one inverse trigonometry functions. Already told about those are very important formulas because of those are all the formulas we can use in the this type of the solving problem. Because so here 2 marks questions in the portion of the 2 marks questions there are asked 2 marks 2 questions on the basement of inverse trigonometry functions and 3 marks questions also has asked one. So that's why it is 2 marks question. This is just very simple. This is 2 marks questions. How to showing this one? Okay, here there is a 2 types of the problems are asked in the annual examination on the basement of the inverse trigonometry functions. One type problem is prove that or show that. Prove that or show that. So it means this type they are asked. Prove that or show that. If this type they are asked, what you can do here only? So by using LHS to prove RHS or by using LHS to prove RHS or otherwise by using RHS to prove LHS. ನೀವು ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. LHS ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು RHS ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. RHS ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು LHS ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Another one problems that's type are write the value of x or find the value of x ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Find the value of x. That type of the questions are also including LHS and RHS part both are. So some students are confused about those 2 type of the questions. Prove that ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು LHS ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Find the value of x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು LHS RHS ಎರಡೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು x ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So continue part of this one. So we can solve this also. ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. So first we should solve this one very simple question. Prove that tan inverse of 2 by 11, tan inverse of 7 by 24, tan inverse of 1 by 2. It's very simple problem. If you first you should look that one after if you observe clearly we know about that one. So this problem is very simple. Okay, now what type of the formula we can use here? Very simple this one. Here in the placement of 2 by 11 we should place x, in the placement of 7 divided by 24 it should be used y. If using x and y, so already 50% of the problem is completed. Okay na? So ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇದರ ಜಾಗದಾಗ x ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಇದರ ಜಾಗದಾಗ y ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. tan inverse x ಮತ್ತು tan inverse of ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50% ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆದಂಗ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ tan inverse of x, what is formula? What is formula? We know that. What is formula? Tan inverse of x tan inverse of y is equal to ಏನೈತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ tan inverse of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ಗಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ 1 minus x into y. ಓಕೆನಾ ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ಗಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ in between these two values plus is there, that's why in the placement of x what is the value tan inverse of 2 by 11 tan inverse of 7 divided by 24 is equal to tan inverse of, so here is the x, here is the y, wherever there is a x is there fill 2 by 11, wherever there is a y is there fill 7 by 24. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 divided by 11 plus 7 divided by 24, 1 minus x in the placement of x you should keep 2 by 11 into in the placement of y should keep 7 divided by 24 is equal to okay, we have to simplify this one. After simplification must should be we get an answer about 1 by 2. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so it becomes the answer is 1 by 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is LCM between these two values? LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 24 and 11 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 24 and 11 11 4s are 44 4 ಕೈಲ 11 2s 22 it means 26 264 Okay, this one we should multiply that one number 264, this here only 264. So 11 ಹನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಷ್ಟಲೇ 264 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ 11 24 264 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ 24 ಎಷ್ಟಲೇ 264, 24 11 264. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ tan inverse of 2 into 24 is what happen this one 48 agutta. 48 plus 7 into 11 is 77 agutta, divided by what is LCM 264 is an LCM. So 11 into 24 is 264 minus of 7 into 2 into 7 andra 14 0 5 2. It means that what happen 250 divided by 264. This is 264, this is 264, both cancelled. We will make tan inverse of, so this one 77 plus 48, how much is this one 77 plus 48, this is 5 1 kaila andra 125. It means 125 remains, divided by 250, 125 1s are 125 2s are. It means what remains tan inverse of 1 by 2. It's 2 marks question, very simple. We get 2 marks tan inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, now this type you can solve the 2 marks question. Okay, we go to the next one problem. Okay, next one problem is next one problem is, this one question is asked in 16 March. This question is asked in 16 marks for the 3 marks question. In the portion of 3 marks, tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus of tan inverse of 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. So this one is quotient, tan inverse of 1 by 2, tan inverse of 2 by 11, tan inverse of 1 by 2, 2 by 11 and 4 by 3 is equal to, prove that by using that one LHS through RHS. What they are asking, just you have to look here, tan inverse of 1 by 2, tan inverse of 2 by 11, tan inverse of 4 by 3 is equal to 5 by 2. It is also a very simple question. It is totally based on as you solve previous problem. So that type similar questions is there. So in the previous problem there are given a 2 values only. So those 2 values we applying the formula about that one, tan inverse of x, tan inverse of y. Okay now. So here they are asking and they are extending a one more value only. Okay now. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 2ಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ tan inverse of 1 by 2, tan inverse of 2 by 11, tan inverse of 4 by 3. After we simplification we get the answer is 90 degree, pi by 2. Very simple. This is also very simple question. First you should apply the formula for these 2 values. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನ ಇವೆರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? tan inverse of x, tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Already we know that this one formula. Okay, now according to this one formula we should solve this one problem. Okay, here in the placement of x what is there? 1 by 2. In the placement of y what is there? 2 by 11. Okay, solution. What you have to do here? Only by using this one formula, wherever there is a x is there, wherever there is a y is there, fill those values only. Okay na, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ x ಐತಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ y ಐತಲ್ಲ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನಾನೀಗ ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. tan inverse of x, it means 1 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan inverse of x. once again I should write the given formula. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಬರೀತಿರೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗ tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 4 by 3 is equal to okay. So ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರೋಣ, tan inverse of 4 by 3. okay, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ by using this one formula we should simplify these two values. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ವೈ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan inverse bracket x ಆಯ್ತಾ. in the placement of x we should keep 1 by 2. in the placement of y keep 2 by 11. 1 minus placement of x keep 1 by 2. in the placement of y keep 2 by 11. tan inverse in between these two values. So what is LCM in between these two values, 2 and 11? So exactly 2 11, it means that 2 ones are 11, ones are, it means 22. What is LCM? 22 is LCM. So we should multiply here above side of this one value. 2 ಎಷ್ಟಲೇ 22 ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? ಸೊ 2 11s are 22 ಹೌದಾ. 11 2 22, 1 ಇಂಟು 11 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 11 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 11 ಎಷ್ಟಲೇ 22, 11 2 22 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 2 4 divided by what is LCM? 11 into 2 22. Next 2 into 11 22, 22 minus 1 into 2 is 20 divided by 22. Next, so tan inverse of this one value, so we should take that is a by b whole divided by c by d. ಹೌದಾ? directly d is connected with a and directly c is connected with b. So what happened? this one d is connected with a and b is connected with c. okay na? So above side is a into d and below side is b into c. okay, that's type we should directly cancelled. If suppose possible b and d both are cancelled, so a and c are also cancelled. So we have to take that one. In the placement of b 22 is there, in the placement of d 22 is there. okay now after simplification we get this type a into d and b into c. this type we should take again, simplify this one. 11 plus 4 is 15 into 22 and this one b into c. So this one is b in the placement of b 22 is there into in the placement of c what is the value is there? 20 is there. So to take this 22 both are cancelled because of these two values are multiplication to each other. These two values are related by the multiplication. ಗುಂಡ್ಲೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. if suppose these two values are related by the addition or subtraction, those are values are not cancelled by the below value. ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, 22 is cancelled. So 5 3 5 4. ಓಕೆನಾ? So we should keep as it is this one value plus of tan inverse of 4 by 3. Don't forget this one, as it is keep this one value. So here also tan inverse of 4 by 3, tan inverse of 4 by 3, and this one value also we should take tan inverse of 4 by 3. okay, now this is takes as a this is 5 by 2. Now what happened this one? What is remaining? Tan inverse of above side, what's remain? 3 into 1 is 3 and divided by 4, and this one is tan inverse of 4 by 3, tan inverse of 4 by 3. okay, so again we already know that is a formula about tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y divided by 1 minus. So tan inverse of x, tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus 5 divided by 1 minus x5. again we should apply that is the same formula. In the placement of 3 by 4 we should keep x, in the placement of 4 by 3 we should keep y. Okay now, so we should again use the formula. What it tells us, ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, tan inverse of, ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, tan inverse of in the placement of x we should keep 3 by 4, in the placement of y we should keep 4 by 3. 1 minus, in the placement of x we should keep 4 by 3, in the placement of y should keep 4 by 3. Okay, what happened? Tan inverse of. What is LCM? 12 is a LCM. Multiply 12. 4 ಮೂರ್ಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರ 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾತ್ 9 ಆತು. 3 4 ಅಂದ್ರ 4 4 16. What is LCM? 12 is LCM. So 4 3 12, 12 1 12, 12 3 4 12 divided by, so this is 12. So this 12 cancel. Tan inverse of this one is 16, 25 divided by 12 minus 12 it becomes 0. What happened? Tan inverse of anything divided by 0 it becomes what happened? Anything divided by 0 it becomes infinity. So tan inverse of infinity, which angle, tan of which angle, it will tells us infinity. ಯಾವ angle infinity ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, 90 degree infinity ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ. Okay na, 5 by 2 we get in the answer, it becomes the answer. Okay, it is the answer, very simple. So first one, if suppose they are asking this type of the 3 values, first you should apply the same formula. Already we know that same formula for the these two, or otherwise we skip this one, we keep this one also. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇವನೇ 2 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇಫ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ 5 by 2, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅದು ತಪ್ಪೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಇವೆರಡರಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದ್ದು ಮೂರನೇದ್ದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡನೇದ್ದು ಮೂರನೇದ್ದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಎರಡದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಸಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಎರಡನೇ ಸಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, 90 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಓಕೆ. ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Next one is, this question is also important. This question is asked 2 times, 15 March and 18 March. This question is very important for the 2 marks. 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus of tan inverse of 1 by 7 is equal to tan inverse of 31 divided by 17. 31 divided by 17. Just look on the board, students. This one, 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 and tan inverse of 1 by 7. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2, tan inverse of 1 by 7 and tan inverse of 31 divided by 17. We prove that one. Tan inverse of 31 divided by 17. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2, tan inverse of 1 by 7 and tan inverse of 31. We can prove, we are going to proving that one, tan inverse of 31 divided by 17. Nodri, just observe madri, what they are asking. Is it any clue about to solving this one question? ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದು, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರು. Is it possible to apply that is a previous formula? Because already we know that already we can use that one, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. ಏನು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಐತಾ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y 1 minus xy. So is it possible to apply this one formula? ಇದು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಐತೆ ಇದನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, just you have to check and imagine that one. Is it possible? Is it possible? It is not a possible because of, so when it is applicable ಅಂತಂದ್ರ wherever there is a tan and inverse of x, tan inverse of x and tan inverse of y. Suppose they are asking this type of the questions, tan inverse of x, tan inverse of y. So here, if suppose there is a in front of, so there is behind of tan 2 is there, so we are not know about this type of the formula. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ tan ನ ಹಿಂದಗಡೆಗೆ 2 ಐತಿಫ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ we don't know about that type of the formula we can solving. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಇದರ ಹಿಂದಗಡೆ 2 ಬಂತಫ 2 ಬಂತಫ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡಂಟ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 by using LHS should prove tan inverse of 31 divided by 17. Okay, so now we confirmed about that one. So this formula is not applicable. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ what you have to doing next procedure ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ? already we learned about and some formulas. Already we learned some problems. It means some derivations already derived that one. What type of the derivations are there? 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sin inverse 2x 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse of x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square and 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse of x is equal to and tan inverse of 2x 1 minus x square. Already we learnt about this one 3 formulas. ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಈಗ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಈಗ. Already I told about this one formulas also very important for solving continuous problems ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ whenever behind of tan, so it means ಹಿಂದಗಡೆ tan. So behind of tan, whenever there is a behind of tan, if suppose there is a 2 is there, tan ನ ಹಿಂದಗಡೆಗೆ 2 ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರ, tan ನ ಹಿಂದಗಡೆಗೆ 2 ಬಂತ ಅಂದ್ರ behind of tan there is a 2 is there. At that time we should use these 3 formulas. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ? ಇವು 3 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Which one formula? 2 tan inverse of x sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse of x cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse of x tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. ಈಗ so here if out of this 3 formula, what is the formula and which formula is suitable for filling, that is 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2, because of all the LHS are same. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ LHS ಗಳು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದಾವು, ಆದ್ರೆ RHS ಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? now it is confused about this one, which formula is suitable for that one. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ? if this type of the confusion is arising, again we have to observe that is RHS. Again we should observe that is a RHS. What is RHS? So RHS value is in terms of tan. RHS value is in terms of tan is there. That's why we should this formula is expressed in terms of tan. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ RHS ಯಾವ್ದೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan ಐತಾ. ಸೊ RHS tan ಐತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? 2 tan inverse of x ಅನ್ನ tan ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು cos inverse ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. there is no possibility of becoming there is your answer. ಓಕೆನಾ, RHS ಕಡೆ tan ಐತಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೂ tan ಐತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? you must and should be 2 tan inverse of x. So you must and should be 2 tan inverse of x can be expressed in terms of tan only, not expressed in terms of sin and cos. If you supposed to express in terms of sin and cos, we didn't getting the answer about this step tan inverse of 31 divided by 70 ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆ 2 tan inverse ಅನ್ನ tan inverse ಹೋಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಐತಿ, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಐತ್ರಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ this is considered as x, this is considered as x. 2 tan inverse of x, what is the formula about this one? Tan inverse of and next, so 2 into x is 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, it means that x, it means 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2, so square plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. So next tan inverse of, so here this two cancel because of those two are multiplicative each other, and remain above side is only 1, remain above side only 1. You must and should be squaring this one, 1, 2 square is 4 and plus tan inverse 1 by 7. What happen this one, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan inverse of 4 into 1 is 4, LCM 4 minus 1 is 3, andra 1 divided by 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. So this 4 is goes to upper side. What happen, tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now we already know about this one formula. Already we know about this one formula. We can easily fill the formula that one. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈಗ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. What is the formula about this one? Tan inverse of x and tan inverse of y. What is the formula about that one? Tan inverse of x and tan inverse of y. What it tells us? Tan inverse of in the placement of x should keep, so 4 by 3 plus in the placement of y we should keep 1 by 7, 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. Okay, now we again we should simplify that one. Simplify ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, what happen? So what is LCM between these two values? Both are odd number, it means that multiplicative each other. 7 into 3 is 21, so should multiply 21. So multiply 21, 3 ones are 3 sevens are 4 into 7 7 ನಾಲ್ಕಲೆ 28 plus 7 ಒಂದ್ಲೆ 7 ಮೂರ್ಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 into 3 is 3, it becomes 3. Next, what is LCM? We already took 7 into 3 is 21. Next 7 ಮೂರ್ಲೆ 21, 7 ಮೂರ್ಲೆ 21, 21 into 1 21, 21 minus 4 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 17 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 17 divided by 21. This one cancel, this one cancel. What's remain? Tan inverse of 28 plus 3 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 31 divided by 17 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is the answer. Okay now we got answer, our answer. Okay now it's very simple, 3 marks question ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay now, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ next one we go to the another important question. We go to the next one. Problem is another one is question is there, just you should observe. Show that 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7, sorry this one is plus 2 tan inverse of 1 by 8 is equal to pi by 4, is equal to pi by 4. This is different questions as you solved in the previous problems. 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5, tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus 2 tan inverse of 1 by 8 is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Prove that 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 and 2 tan inverse of 1 by 8 is equal to pi by 4. This is a 3 mark question. This is 3 marks question. ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಯು ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ here in this problem so there are two values are containing behind the two values are containing behind the 2. If you suppose so here there is no possibility to applying that is this type of the formula tan inverse of x tan inverse of y ಇದನ್ನ applicable ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಐತಿ 2 tan inverse of x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 2 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆನಾ here there is a 2 tan inverse this is a single tan inverse we don't know about that one applicable that type of the formula so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what you can do here only ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ if suppose this type of the 3 values are asking like this ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನಾದರೂ 3 values ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ first you should concentrate first you should look at the problem what they are asking ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ and imagine how to solving this one ಹೆಂಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ we left this one value ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ left this one value so this one is keep in placement of third value we should take this one is second value ಇದನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ third value ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಯಾಕ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ because of this is the reason so this is an a single tan inverse is there but this is an a 2 tan inverse is there 2 tan inverse is there both are 2 tan inverse is there so that's why so similar 2 tan inverse is there so that's why we should take one side ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ 2 tan inverse of 1/5 ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ನ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ two tan inverse of 1/8 this is a single tan inverse is there that's one keep outside ಅದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ tan inverse of 1/7 tan inverse of 1/7 now we concentrate in between these two values ಇವುಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ you should keep concentrate on between these two values so in between these two values what is the common value ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ tan inverse ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ tan inverse ಅಂದಿರಿ tan inverse ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಐತಿ so 2 is a common value 2 is a common value because of this is multiplicative with tan this is also multiplicative with tan this is just number ಅದೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಓಕೆನಾ that is 2 is keep outside ಅದನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 ಅನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಿಟ್ರಿ 2 ಅನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಿಟ್ರಿ ನಾತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ tan inverse 1/5 and tan inverse 1/8 and tan inverse what's remain tan inverse of 1/7 tan inverse of 1/7 okay this is better okay now 2 is keep outside next what happen 2 is keep outside so we already know about the formula if in case tan inverse of one value tan inverse of another value tan inverse of x and tan inverse of y this is considered as a x and this is considered as a y okay na already we know about this one formula tan inverse of x tan inverse of y what's the formula about this one this test tan inverse of x tan inverse of y is equal to we should apply the formula tan inverse of x plus y and 1 divided by 1 minus xy so simply we should apply the formulas tan inverse of wherever there is x is there fill 1/5 ll x ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 1/5 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ll y ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ 1/8 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ what happen 1 minus wherever there is x is there fill 1/5 wherever there is a y is there fill 1/8 what happen plus remain is tan inverse 1/7 next what happen simplify this one value what happen ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ tan inverse of don't keep this one bracket what is LCM mean between these two values one odd one even number it means that we should multiply to each other 5 into 8 is 40 so this 40 is multiplied above side this 40 is also multiplied above side ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 5 1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5 8 1 into 8 is 8 plus 8 1 8 5 40 plus 5 divided by LCM is 40 5 into 8 is 40 and 40 minus 1 is 39 divided by 40 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now it's possible to make cancel, we should better to make cancel. What often 40 both are cancelled. 2 tan inverse of 5 plus 8 is 13 divided by what's remain 39 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. It is difficult to make again simplify. Suppose this is there because both are the biggest values. To better to make cancel, it means 13 into 1 13 ones are 13 threes are both are cancelled. What remains the values are in the placement of x. What's remain 2 tan inverse of what's remain 1 by 3 plus of tan inverse of 1 by 7. Is it possible to applicable this type of formula? Is it possible? ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Is it possible? Again it is not a possible because of ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇದು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರ here behind of the tan there is a value 2 is there. Behind of the tan there is a value is the 2 is there. Here there is a tan is there. Wherever so whenever you go to this applying that is a formula tan inverse of x, so both are the tan, both are the contain the tan values. If one suppose contains the tan 2 tan inverse, at that time it is not possible to applicable, there is a formula. Okay, so what you have to do here only, if suppose this type they are asking here ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 tan inverse of 1 by 3. It's better to apply again. So what we in hagadra already ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square, and 2 tan inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, and 2 tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. There are three formulas are there, and those three formulas we should so observe that one. Here this one, here this is also contains the, here this is also contains in terms of tan is there. That's why we should, this 2 tan inverse can be, must and should be so express in terms of third one formula. Which one? That one yaud hagadra by using which one? Use 2 tan inverse of x is equal to, so we should observe in this side yaud use agutte hagadra. So we must and should be this tan inverse also express in terms of the tan inverse 2 tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. If you suppose to use the 2 tan inverse of x can be expressed in terms of sin inverse or otherwise cos inverse, it is not possible to obtain our RHS value because of here another value is in terms of tan. If suppose in the placement of this one value keep sin inverse, so those are two values are don't matching, we are not operation between those two values sin and tan. Okay, that's why must and should be these 2 tan inverse of x can also be expressed in terms of the tan inverse. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 tan inverse of x ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ tan inverse ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನೈತಿ tan inverse ನಾಗ ಐತಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ 2 tan inverse x ಅನ್ನ tan inverse ನಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಇದು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್. ಯಾವುದೂ ಕೂಡ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ಸೈನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಶುಡಂಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sin and cos. Okay, you must and should be keep tan inverse of 2 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Now we should keep ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 into x, it means that 1 by 3, and 1 minus x, it means that 1 by 3. If you make square, it means what happen? 1 minus 9. And so sorry, this one is applying tan inverse plus what's remain? Tan inverse of 1 by 7. So here tan inverse of 2 into 1 by 3 is 2 by 3, and 9 into 1 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8 by 9, and this one tan inverse of 1 by 7, 1 by 7. So if it is possible to make a cancel, it's better to cancel. So 3 ones are 3, 3s are 2 1 2 4. What happen? Tan inverse of it means that 1 divided by 1 whole divided by 4 by 3 plus of tan inverse of 1 by 7. It means tan inverse of 1 by 7. It means tan inverse of ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ it means what happen? Tan inverse of this 3 is can be a related with this one, 4 is can be related with this one. What happen? Tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus of tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now it is becomes a simple form. We already know the formula about this one, tan inverse of x and tan inverse of y. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ಈಗ tan inverse of x, tan inverse of y ದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. Now we can applicable that one formula, we get the answer. Just you can applicable that one, tan inverse of already we get. So already we know that what is the x? X in the placement of x we should keep 3 by 4. In the placement of y keep 1 by 7. So 1 minus x andra 3 by 4, y andra 1 by 7. Next tan inverse of what is LCM? 28 is LCM and 28 is a LCM. So it means what? So 4 7 7 4 7 3 21 plus, so it is 4 and 28 divided by 28, it means 25 divided by 28. It means tan inverse of 25 divided by 28 and 25 divided by 28. It means this 25 get cancels, 25 cancels. What's remain? Tan inverse of 1 is only remains. Tan inverse of 1, it means that which angle is 1? Which angle is 1? It means that tan of 45 is equal to 1. Okay, this is the important formula for the problem for the 3 marks question. Next we go to the next one problem. So 3 marks question, this one also very simple. 14 June, this one 14 June, show that tan inverse x plus tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. This is for the 3 marks question. So already once a time this one asked in the year of 14 June 3 marks question. It's very simple question for the 3 marks. If suppose they are asking this one question, you are very lucky, for it is because of 3 to 4 steps it was only completed. Okay, so what they are asking, what you go to proving should first observe, show that. ST it means that show that, PT it also means that prove that. What they are asking, show that tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square and is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Either we can use LHS to prove RHS, or either we can take RHS, we prove LHS. Both are very simple. Okay na, both are very simple. Either we have to take LHS to prove RHS is also better, it is also one method, or eitherwise if it is not a possible to taken, so we should take, we have to take, that is a take RHS and to prove LHS. It is also very simple method. Okay na, we have to take any one method to writing in the annual examination. Don't choose those two methods only. Okay na, ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಟೇಕ್ RHS. RHS ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು LHS ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. LHS ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು RHS ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ RHS ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು LHS ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಪುಟ್ RHS ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೆ ನಾನೀಗ. ಫುಟ್ RHS ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾನ, ಫುಟ್ RHS tan ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಐತಾ, tan ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 3x minus x cube 1 minus 3x square ಐತೀಗ. ಓಕೆನಾ, so wherever there is a x is there, wherever there is a x is there, what you should fill, wherever there is a x is there, what should fill, ಏನ್ fill up ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ, ಏನನ್ನ fill up ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, what is the value is outside is there, what is the value which is present in outside, ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೊರಗೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ fill up ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೊರಗೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ fill up ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫುಟ್ x is equal to ಏನ್ fill up ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, tan theta ವನ್ನ fill up ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಫುಟ್ x is equal to tan theta ವನ್ನೇ fill up ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ, tan inverse of 3 in the placement of x, if you fill tan theta, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 in terms of x, in the placement of x we should fill ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, tan square theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ you know that this one formula ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ we learnt in the first PUC trigonometry. tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Already we learnt about in this one formula in first PUC. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, tan inverse of this one tan of 3 theta. So tan inverse of tan of x, what is the value, tan inverse of tan of x, it means x, it can be expressed as a x only. In the placement of x, what is the value is there, so in the placement of x there is a 3 theta is there, as you should keep 3 theta only. What is theta, theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, ಈ tan ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, theta is equal to tan inverse of x, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, theta is equal to tan inverse of x. What's happen, 3 of tan inverse of x, 3 of tan inverse of x. I should write this one 3 tan inverse of x. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, 3 tan inverse of x ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಆ LHS ರೂಪದೊಳಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. tan inverse of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, 1 tan inverse of x, 3 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, 3 can be expressed as a 1 plus 2 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದಿಲ್ಲ, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 tan inverse of x ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ, 1 tan inverse of x ಮತ್ತು ಈ 2 tan inverse of x ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 tan inverse of x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So there is no formula for to keep tan inverse of x, again it is converting. Okay, so as it is we should keep, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, now what is the formula about this one, 2 tan inverse of x? Now there is a, already we know that 2 tan inverse of x. What is the formula about this one, 2 tan inverse of x? We should, tan can be expressed in terms of, again a tan, don't this one tan is expressed in terms of a sine and cos. Okay, because of our answer is tan inverse of is there, that's why. So 2 tan inverse of x can be expressed in terms of tan only, 2 tan inverse of x, it is answer is 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Our answer is, okay na. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ, RHS ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, LHS ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. LHS prove ಆತ್. Or otherwise if it is difficult to solving, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ, so this is takes as x and this is takes as a y. ಇದನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan inverse of, what is formula tan inverse of x, tan inverse of y, what is formula that one, tan inverse of x plus y, it means x plus y. Y in terms, in the placement of y, what is the value is there, so 2x divided by 1 minus x square divided by 1 minus, so x is there as the placement of x, you should keep x, don't change this, because of in the placement of x as a x is there, in the placement of y there is a different value is there. What is the value, 2x divided by 1 minus x square is there. Okay, now so now we go to the changes this one value, what happen, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, changes ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So if you suppose to operate, these are all the values, what happen, this is 1 minus x square is the LCM, how it becomes, so in the below side nothing is there, it means that we consider 1. In between 1 and 1 minus x square, what is the LCM in between these two values, again so in between these two values what is the LCM is 1 minus x square only. Okay, so this is 1 minus x square is directly multiplied with this one value, here only 1 minus x square, and also here 1 minus x square also it is multiplied with this one, 1 into 1 minus x square, it is doesn't cancel in between these two values, that's why this x is multiplied with this 1 minus x square. What happen, x into 1 is x, and this a plus is there, this a minus is there, what happen, plus into minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x into x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ x cube ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x into x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ x cube ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. In between these two values what is the value is there, here in between these two values plus is there. Now this 2x is multiplied this one value, so don't go to multiply these two values, because of below side 1 minus x square is there, so that's why here also 1 minus x square is there. Please to make cancel both of value, what remains 2x, and outside tan inverse is there, to keep that one tan inverse, and next in between in below side, so this is a LCM 1 minus x square, it should be multiplied into 1, what happen, 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square minus x into 2x is 2x square. Okay, what happen, tan inverse of, so x minus x cube plus 2x both are here it is a power is also 1, here is also power is 1. If you suppose to add both are, it becomes 3x minus x cube, and so here this is a power is also 2, this is also power 2, so it's better to add both are, 1 minus x cube x square minus 2x square, it means that 3x square. What happen nodri, answer banta 3x minus x cube 1 minus 3x square, this is RHS, it is RHS become. So either you take LHS to prove RHS, or otherwise to take RHS prove LHS, it is also better. Okay. Now I give the one more example for yours to solve in your home only. Just a very simple question is there, just write that one. Prove that tan inverse of 1 by 2 ಮತ್ತು tan inverse of 2 by 11 is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, so this one is do in your home, this is homework. Okay.